you have a high mileage vehicle, how about a truck using or calling for a light viscosity motor oil like this Dodge Hemi behind me? It calls for a 5W20, and that's for fuel mileage and performance, and actually helps crank the engine in cold weather with a lighter oil. But as your engine begins to wear and you have some higher mileage on it, I want to show you what Lucas Oil manufactures for your vehicle, whether it's a car or a truck, using a low viscosity oil as you get over 75,000 miles. By simply pouring in a quart of Lucas Oil high mileage oil stabilizer, you can raise the viscosity slightly of the motor oil. The conditioners will actually help with the seals internally, as well as your piston rings, help that engine remain sealed, better miles per gallon, better performance, and longer engine life. So here's a perfect example of use for high mileage oil stabilizer in a low viscosity application. This here is a 5.7 Hemi, awesome engine, great performance, push rod engine. So adding in the oil stabilizer, that'll help carry the oil, keep it up on the push rods, valve springs, get it into the ring glands on your pistons, and keep those cylinders lubricated so when you shut it off, you don't have the dry start as well. So simply pour it in and drive it. Lucas Oil high mileage oil stabilizer stabilizes oil pressure for better performance in today's electronically controlled gasoline and diesel engines. It eliminates hesitation, rough idle, stalling, and loss of fuel mileage caused by low or fluctuating oil pressure. Eliminates dry starts, the #1 cause of wear in engines. Also contains seal conditioners to slow or stop oil leaks.